everyone, today we're building an accounting software homepage. I'll explain every element so you understand exactly what each tag does. First, type $DOCTYPE space HTML. This is the DOCTYPE declaration. It doesn't have a closing tag, it's a special instruction. Its function is to tell the browser, this is an HTML5 document. Now let's learn how to write a tag. Every HTML element has an opening tag and a closing tag. The opening tag starts with a less than symbol, then the tag name, then a greater than symbol. The closing tag is the same but has a / before the tag name. Type opening head tag. Write less than symbol, the word head, then greater than symbol. The head element functions as a container for metadata. Later we'll close it with less than symbol, / head greater than symbol. Inside head, type opening title tag. Write less than, title greater than. Then type Odum Business Consults - online accounting. Then close with less than, / title greater than. The title sets the browser tab text. Now type the link tag. Write less than, link space, rel equals stylisheet space, href equals style.css greater than. This is a self-closing tag, it doesn't need a closing tag. It connects our CSS file. Close the head tag. Write less than, / head greater than. Then open the body tag less than, body greater than. The body is where all visible content goes. Remember, opening tag is less than, name greater than. Closing tag is less than, / name greater than.